All of that on top of machine gun?
Today is phase 4 of the challenge. The general plan is to just put a ton of stuff
Between my yacht and the up-and-coming attacks, we're gonna use the remaining crates to try to block any cracks the bullets might get through.
That container is just perfectly placed for this outside perch.
Use as much dirt as we can to create an impact barrier.
Right in front of the wall where the cannons are gonna shoot.
And since the giant bomb can be sent from behind, I'm just gonna do what I can with the time remaining and close the back with water-filled barrels.